Alright, boys. Let's crack open 2 more Eternal. Let's get lucky on these. Second Thoughts, Innocent Blood, Keldon Marauders, Cephalid Sage, Eye Blight's Ending, Dismal Backwater, Faithless Looting, Emperor Crocodile, Jungle Hollow, and a Tidal Wave. Alright, Flame Jab, Honden of Night's Reach, and a Sprite Noble. Alright, Call the Skybreaker. Alright, let's double check the foil. Common foil. Carbonize. The dragon token. Alright, one more. Benevolent Bodyguard. Carrion Feeder. Avarax. Welkin Guide. Elvish Vanguard. Gaseous Form. Commune with the Gods. Swiftwater Cliffs. Core Hookmaster. Sentinel Spider. Alright, Chain Lightning. Shaman of the Pack. And Cabal Therapy. Alright, the rare Argothian Enchantress. Mythic. Nice. Got one of these in the last boxes too. We'll take it. And our foil. Common. Intangible Virtue. That's not a bad pack.